there, karibu sana to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. You can call me Em, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Swedish meatballs. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some meat, that's a half a kg, some paprika, black pepper, some milk, breadcrumbs, an egg, salt, some coriander or parsley, a small onion, and some ginger and garlic paste. To learn how to make this recipe, just click the icons above. So now let's make the meatballs. To begin with, you're going to soak some breadcrumbs in some milk. Don't worry if you don't have breadcrumbs. You can also use just regular bread, slices of bread. It's fine. Just use about a full slice of bread. And you're going to soak that in about 4 tablespoons of milk. This is what makes the meatballs juicy. All you need is just a small onion. If you have a big onion, just use only half of it and chop it as finely as you can. That way you don't have like this big chunks of onion inside of your meatballs. Now for the easy part, just put everything together. So let me share something with you as I'm making these meatballs. When I started out on YouTube, I actually did not know how hard it would be to stay consistent, to bring videos every 2 weeks or even a week. And I'm finding it's been so hard, especially having a small baby and not having a house help. But, you know, I've been learning a lot of things, and I've been learning how to manage my time a lot better. So pray for me, y'all. When you go to sleep tonight, pray for a girl, because this journey is not easy. But I want to bless as many people as I can with what God has gifted me. So you cannot taste raw meat, right? I hope you know this. Anyway, this is how you test whether your meatballs are well seasoned. Just put a little bit of oil in a pan and fry just a small bit of the meatballs. Taste and adjust your seasoning. In this case, my meatballs need a lot more salt, so I'm just going to adjust that and then just roll out the meatballs. When you're making your meatballs, you want to have about like a tablespoon, not any bigger than that, not any smaller. If they are smaller, they will cook a lot faster and dry in the middle. If they're too big, they're not going to cook in time. So just a tablespoon worth of meatballs is good enough. Ideally, fry your meatballs in the pan that you're going to make your sauce in, because you don't want to lose all that yumminess. But the pan I'm going to make my sauce in, it kind of sticks, and then also I don't have time. I need to use 2 burners and to, get this going really fast because I'm kind of late. My family, that is my husband, Didi, and myself, are going to visit some friends of ours who are very, very dear to us. We were once neighbors, and we have just become so close as friends. And they also mentored us before my husband and I got married, and we love them also dearly. The Kajumas. Tunawapenda sana. To fry your meatballs, just make sure that your pan is really hot and your oil as well. You want to make these meatballs as colorful on the outside as possible. You're also not looking to cook them through. You just need them to have some color on the outside. So I told you I'm in a hurry. Let's do this in 2 different pans. But you don't have to do this. You can use the same pan. So now let's make the sauce. You're going to need some butter and oil, some flour, some hot water, a stock cube, some milk, cream, cooking cream that is, some salt, black pepper. So pause right there. In order to make this sauce thick, we're going to make a roux. It's just a French term and it's not even that hard to make. We're going to be making a blonde roux. Roux can either be white, blonde or dark. So just fry the flour in the oil and butter mixture until it turns this brownish color. Add your hot or warm water a little bit at a time until you get the right consistency. If this is your first time, make sure you do this on medium to low heat. Then season it and then add milk. Traditionally, in a Swedish meatball recipe, they don't even have this sauce. In other kinds of recipes, they don't even add the milk or the cream. So if you're intolerant or you don't take milk or cream, you can skip them. This sauce is still going to be as tasty. Add in your meatballs and stir. Very, very simple. So you're going to make sure that your sauce is just a little bit on the thin side, because as the meatballs cook and as the sauce cools, it's going to thicken a lot further and you don't want the sauce to be too thick. Also, make sure you check your meatballs before you serve them to people, just to make sure that the middle is cooked through, and adjust your seasoning, and that's it. The sauce is done and it is delicious. I know my friends are going to love it and I hope you will too. So please try and make this recipe. If you love it, if you enjoy it, please let me know. If you have any trouble making the roux, because sometimes it can be a pain, let me know as well. Hit me up on IG or in the comment section and ask me any question and I'll be very happy to answer. And this is a finished meal. Don't mind us. We forgot the veggies. Please don't forget the veggies. But it was yummy.
It's so good. Channel, but you never know. You never know.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I am so grateful for you passing along. I just want to shout out to everybody who goes to Emmanuel Baptist Church and is watching this video. Thank you so much for coming here. Every time I go to church, one other person tells me that they're watching my videos and I'm so grateful. I love you guys with the love of Christ. Asanteni sana sana sana. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this video, please consider doing so. It really helps to build our channel. And if you're coming back here over and over again and you love these videos, hit that like button and share with your friends. Someone who would enjoy this recipe, someone who would enjoy my other recipes. So thank you so much and I hope you have a lovely week. Peace.